Alex, this deal is being described a lot of different ways. My favorite comes from one analyst who called it all foam, no beer. We have two different versions, it seems, of what's been put into this deal, the Chinese version and the U.S. version. China's going to buy some agricultural goods. The president says $40 to $50 billion, but China hasn't put a dollar value on it at all. Intellectual property. China has a new law protecting some intellectual property areas. Maybe that's what they're referring to, but nobody really knows. Nothing's been written down. Same thing with market openings. On Friday, China announced it was going to open its financial sector to 100% ownership by foreign firms. That may be what they are agreeing to here, something that they've already done. The October 15th tariff increase has been suspended. That's the one thing that appears to be certain about this whole thing. China also apparently agreeing to some sort of currency stipulation that allows them to say they did what they have already done, which is agree not to manipulate their currency. Now, if we do get the agriculture purchases, you can see it would be a big deal if the president were correct. The high in 2014, 24 billion. So if we got to 40 or 50 billion, that would be pretty amazing. The problem here is we don't know exactly how they would do that. Part of the problem that you have is that agricultural prices have slumped so badly it would be hard to get, even with a tremendous increase in volume, that kind of dollar value. So agriculture experts waiting to see what happens. And even if we get that, here's the problem with this deal is it suspended the October 15th tariff increases, but it leaves all the others in place. So it locks the trade war in where it is. And the president hasn't agreed whether he would suspend the December tariffs on the rest of those consumer goods coming. So the economy still faces ongoing tariffs, ongoing trade war. Nothing has changed there. Maybe the farmers get something, but the rest of the industrial United States, manufacturers and exporters get nothing. The rest of the world gets nothing. The trade war continues.